How often do we hear about someone losing their life due to tobacco use? In today's world, it's almost a social norm for someone to be using tobacco. Either walking on the street, you see someone with a cigarette in their mouth. You go to a baseball game, you see a baseball player with a smokeless tobacco in their mouth. And it's just viewed as just just another tobacco. But little do we know that it's slowly killing people in our society. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the number of deaths per year has grown up to 6 million. 6 million people have died due to tobacco use every year. And by 2030, this number is supposed to rise up to 8 million deaths per year. How is this okay? Why are we losing people due to something that shouldn't even be in our lives? My name is Felipe Barrera, and in this presentation, you will understand in 3 points on why tobacco use has zero benefits in a human life. First of all, there are several health risks when someone uses tobacco. There are over 4,000 different toxins that are placed in one cigarette. And in a can of smokeless tobacco, that is equivalent to 4 packs of cigarettes. Just think about it. All those toxins going into someone's bloodstream. It can cause diseases, cancer, all types of health problems. That's why people hear people going to the hospital. Oh, lung cancer. Oh, heart cancer, or whatever it is. It just keeps causing different health diseases just by simple toxins in tobacco. Then there's just the people around us. As parents, as people, there's always people that look up to you. So in a household, if someone sees you smoking a cigarette, if I ever saw my dad smoking a cigarette, or if I saw my favorite player on TV smoking a cigarette, I would want to be like them. So if someone were to see a loved one in their house pick up a cigarette and put it in their mouth, that young one's going to think it's okay, which is not okay. So it's also affecting the youth. And in other words, what they see, they will want to do. Then you have the secondhand smoking. There's been several cases where there's been someone in a house, they don't even smoke, yet they're the ones that get sick just because their loved one smokes in the house day in and day out. Then we bring about the money aspect. Money is very crucial in today's world. Everybody wants money. But the addiction of tobacco is causing people to go broke. It's said to be there's one avid tobacco user that spends money on tobacco every day spends close to $17,000 on tobacco product in 1 year. Think about what you can buy or what you can do with $17,000. That's a lot of money. I would do a lot of cool things if I had $17,000 extra. It's a terrible thing. We're all trying to get better at something. And here I just wanted to present you guys with something so crucial in today's world. There's a lot of what can I say, ways to help this addiction. There's healthy alternatives now that they've made, such as nicotine gum, nicotine mints, fake chewing tobacco. I'm on the baseball field, me being a baseball player and all. You see those different types of things of guys that are trying to get rid of that addiction. There's a lot of things going on in our world, but with these facts, I hope you go home and can relay these facts to people around you. You could save a life. You could save someone's family. and there's always room to help find ways to help better yourself and someone else. Thank you very much. My name is Felipe Barrera again. I hope I gave you enough information on this topic, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks a lot.